Hello, I'm Cyber.October, here to teach you everything you need to know about crypto and DeFi. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you about some important crypto lingo that you should know. So let's get into it. First one is HODL. Hold on for dear life. Do not panic sell. Keep holding on to the asset through all the awesome highs and the really terrifying lows. No matter the market conditions, just keep holding. HODLing is much easier when you're invested in well-established and reputable crypto projects like Polygon or Aave. Next one is FUD, which stands for fear, uncertainty, and doubt. This often leads to panic selling. FUD can happen naturally during times of uncertainty or really bad market conditions, but it can also be deliberately created to influence the perception of cryptocurrencies or the crypto market altogether. Think of Elon Musk on Twitter. Okay, next one. FOMO. FOMO is fear of missing out. Okay, this refers to the urgency that people feel to get in on what's going on or what they think is cool. This could be something that's trending or just what their friends are buying into or what they think everyone's into. An example of FOMO would be rushing to purchase a new cryptocurrency everyone is talking about, even if it's not a good time to buy, if the price is really high, they just really want to get in. So that's FOMO, fear of missing out. Okay, next one is Shill. To shill is to deliberately promote something strictly for personal gain. For context, someone might say, oh my gosh, look at this totally useless coin that someone just tried to shill me, get me to buy. It's a total coin. That's shilling, they're just useless. Okay, speaking of shit coins, next we have pump and dumps. So pump and dump is when an absolutely useless coin or whatever with no functional value is vigorously promoted for the purpose of the primary shareholders pumping up the price so that they can share all of their shares, or so that they can sell all their shares when the price is up and basically screw everyone else and leave everyone else with a low-priced, crappy coin. This is just to make money. It's very selfish. You just got to be wary of what you're buying into, but that is a pump and dump. Okay, next one, we have whales. A whale is a huge shareholder in an asset. Usually they own 5% or more, 5% or less of, just around 5% or more of an asset, I would say. Like 5% or more of the supply of the asset that's available, which may not sound like a lot, but it is. If a whale goes and sells 5% of the supply of a coin, that can drastically affect the entire price of the coin, and even some of the market. So that could be really exciting. That could be really scary. A lot of smart people like to watch what whales are doing. Okay, next one is gas. So gas is the fee that's charged to have a transaction be completed on the blockchain. Think of the 0.3% transaction fee that Venmo charges when you send someone money. Except gas fees are usually a lot costlier. The cost of gas in cryptocurrency is a huge issue. It's very costly, especially right now. I'll cover the cost of gas and how that problem is in a different video. Okay, next one, bullish. So to be bullish on something is to believe. If you're bullish on a coin, let's say, then that means that you believe the coin has a lot of potential, it has a future, and that you're more than likely holding on to a lot of it. That leads us into our last crypto lingo for this video, which is bearish. To be bearish on something is when you're kind of wary of it, you're a little bit uncertain, you're not really sure about it, you don't really think it's gonna be that big, as maybe someone who's bullish on it would be. So yeah, that's all the crypto lingo I have for you today in this video. Please like and subscribe. I'm gonna be posting a lot of crypto and DeFi content. I'd love to help you. Comment below if you have any questions or anything, and I will get back to you.